Hi, this is Mir Inam. I'm working as a food safety and quality assurance officer for Starbucks in Bahrain. I pursued the food safety and quality management course, which was launched by Haldia Institute of Technology in collaboration with DNVGL. I really recommend this course for upcoming students who are in food industry background and who are pursuing food technology. The course is very informative, and my special thanks to Gaurav Chatterjee and his team. And I'm looking for various few courses with the team. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Govardhan Singh and I have done PhD from CFTRI Mysore. Currently working as a food scientist in Enlight Life Sciences Private Limited, Bangalore. So I have attended this 5-week internship program about food safety and quality management system. I would say the program was very well organized, and being from the academic background with a limited industrial knowledge, I was able to gain vast knowledge about various aspects of food safety and quality management system. Also, the course trainers were able to explain the topics very nicely, and also the fee structure regarding the program is very affordable, which would otherwise cost very high if done in other platforms. Professor Gaurav Chatterjee and team had coordinated the program very nicely with regular updates and help. Thank you.
Hi, this is Apeksha Thakkar. I am a clinical dietitian, a certified diabetes educator and a nutrigenomic counselor based out in Mumbai. I was one of the enrollments for first batch of FSQMS internship program, which was in July 2020. And what I really found about this course was the course was extremely helpful, from a food technology and food safety standards perspective. It was of great help. The faculties of this particular course used to go out of the way to ensure that all your queries are resolved before the session concludes. The case studies which were given were extremely brainstorming, along with the study material which was provided was best updated as per the newest syllabus. I would surely recommend this course to aspiring dietitians and food technologies to branch out and come out with a completely new horizons and branching out for an altogether a new perceptive changes in their career. So it's a must recommendation from my end.
Hello all, I'm Anushka Garg, a BTech final year student of Food Technology and Management from NIFTM University, Sonipat. I recently got a chance to participate in the 5-week internship training program. It was an overall very insightful experience, and it was based on the practical, real-life scenarios what a food technologist actually faces inside the food industry. All the case studies, assignments and internal quizzes help us clear our doubts on the concepts further. I would like to extend my thanks and regards to all the mentors. Thank you.
Hello, myself Naya Chitra Harinarayanan. I am currently pursuing my final year Masters in Food Science and Technology from Kerala University of Fisheries and Ocean Studies. And to say about this course, I consider myself very lucky to be a part of FSQMS Batch 2, which was conducted by Haldia Institute of Technology in collaboration with DNVGL Business Assurance. And this course includes each and every aspect in the food industry, for example, quality management, quality assurance, food safety and standard laws, and also HACCP, allergen management, auditing. Everything is included in this course, and a very special thanks to mentors. Everyone were superb because they always connected those situations to real life scenarios so that we can understand them better. And at the end of each session, we were also provided with case studies. Here also real life scenarios were given for us, so that how we will manage them if you are facing such a situation. So it was superb experience. It was a wonderful course. I really enjoyed it, and thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Shweta Mandirata. I recently got this opportunity to do 5-week of internship program on food safety and quality management system. The program was very well structured, was very insightful and awesome.
Myself Isha Ambare. I was a TY student from SVT College of Home Science. When I opted for this course, I had no idea that this course will be so relatable to real life, especially the case studies. As a student, it was a bit difficult to solve and understand the new concepts, but the course trainer made their best efforts to solve all our doubts and problems in a very simple and understandable manner. So I would highly recommend you guys, especially to the newbies like me, to go for this course, as it will be literally like an online experience. Thank you.
My name is Prashneet Paul and I'm doing MSc in Microbiology from Sister Nivedita University, Kolkata. I feel very lucky to be a part of Food Safety and Quality Management internship. All the modules of this course are well designed, which gives us a clear picture on TQM, ISO, CGMP, GMP and many more. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Paulmi Ghosh. I'm a final year student of Food Science and Technology from Getamdin to the University of Visakhapatnam. I enjoyed the structure of the course along with different assignment, brainstorming, case studies and the way trainers have imparted the training on various food safety and regulatory topics including food safety, quality management, allergen management, packaging and labeling, UMS and all. Thank you.
I'm Suresh Gosala from 3F Fuji Foods Private Limited. I am working as a quality senior executive. I have attended this FSQMS Batch 2 Food Safety and Quality Management Systems. In this internship program, I like structure of the syllabus and trainers and case studies.
Hello, this is Divyaranjan Das, a final year MTech student of Department of Food Process Engineering, NIT, Rawalkeila. And I was an enrolled participant of Food Safety Quality Management System internship program. All the modules of the training program were arranged in very good manner and all the case studies were very brainstormed.
Hello, I am Soumya Setka, final year student pursuing MTech in Food Technology from HBTI Kanpur. I recently got a chance to attend an internship program on Food Safety and Quality Management System. I was able to gain a vast knowledge about various aspects of food safety and management system.
Hello everyone, I am Shitanshu Kumar. I am doing my MTech in Food Safety and Quality Management at NIFTM. I was involved in the first batch and it was really a wonderful experience to learn about basics of so many factors which is needed at the industrial basic level like implementation of HACCP, Codex rules and different FSQMS parameters which are really required on the base level in a food processing industry.
Hi everyone, this is Harshita of BTech second year Food Technology at Osmania University, Hyderabad. I have been a part of Food Safety and Quality Management System. The internationally recognized course trainers have presented the lectures in a very simple and understandable way. Thank you.